Ipidang sobai pi syakamaran thing. Ringkat ki kaitor bernya ki badan lagi jong ki khana. Ki barikor ki larati ki sap ki phong halarukam. Ki tin shop ki puran ki kaitor bar ki simping. Nentaya bat nga ngine jekin do ya kuwe jekin huntem bat roy. Nang ni nasor Jowai ke laja dan 90. Kubli shibon laja dan 90 ko por jong pi. Bat ni so men shibon kum ke tim batesi. Bagi pedang sobai pi syakan ke program juni kemarin thing.
Thank you so much.
Ti ngak juga ke jong ke jong pi mo ki YouTube bagi live performance ke jong pi Kylleng ki baso tanat sikade e te kindian jobinya sya prang ke program ke jongi plak pan kindian introduction syapanga team ke jong pi
The myself what the lamiki the drum une u carry batem guitar and vocals both. We have two new members Kaneka Nide backing vocals and Eva backing vocals and Sambha batem yuka bass. So I'm done but it's okay like he
tumo pi dan nyong
done young.
nyong
Okay, that is Dairuk who batem yuka keyboard.
okay te ke ke penlong fi pinjit ke music
Kata si as of for ya bro ni I think ka ba nengkong do kadai ba like ni kendo online like ni kendo nga ba dilam ba dine social media kadai social media we were into music nga to po ngadam sa po Mumbai ni badan ha Shillong kini Arnold kidang ipule music the seeing their potential nga la text we should do something together then done 2018 karai mau to bangi kendo 17 year kendo 17 nila a jam and then we click ni coming from the same field thingy ang let's do something maybe form not like a band and we'll try something new it started from there and the rest is history ma
what pi ong nga ba filet music
kini ako
tumut ka daras jong fi sia pi
nga pule sound engineering pa Pune and then ngatry pa Bombay as a sound engineer hakaway ka international school I was doing live sound to par and then I was not feeling it kata hakaway man but working for someone like else nta ba ngatry ka school mo it's not like what I want to do in life ngala ko ano ban follow kata ka dream ka passion ka jonga stay in music and also work as well ngala persangken nga kema gato ko por nga oy kini let's do something tiki ang how can we do it namar ba firo pidon site ngi dan sine I took a huge risk la ma nga quit the job and then I came back home form a band it's just like that kalau mungta
pi ngak fi shim kata ka big risk jong pi de te kumut kini ki nalyang jong pi dan ke biggest risk la fila ju shim ba ka jigim ga jong pi
biggest risk
ni nalyang jong pi
kena music ban choose kena bad music it's a risk is music wa
mana ka jing puli fi
I drop out
pili Jaka music
tang na ba pandem music and then you started learning sound right
Mentang lah him di school from school
oh fi showing pi I class ro
plus
te kumut nado dangret de komentan kaliang jong amo macam dangret ni stanat ban ni kan thai tamo na stanat ban le kai khun jeng le kai pretend games ta hum to tengah kau ban tip na lang jong fi sa fi dan ne em fi ju dan ne em ko mi pretend game to fi ju le kadang kan ne fi dan do badang de pladan bet ne kata ka jing snow badang la he kan long bet musician kan long tem kan long ruai kan long thol jing ruai
I'll say ba nga kapor ba nga kama wendang por bandang like school nga su like drawing was one of my favorite tengah kama ong ime when I grow up nga ko ban long architect punta better ba
kan
no kan ba to porang red kan temen tapan after like hadin class 10 nga small talk ba si this passion which I have ngala sedang nudo opor bedang ren plus my dad ipa jong ngaro he's into music kane ki film ki ro ini u shai tha tenga upushing ate ban ruai ban tem gitar ro demu uhi ba hikaya nga ban ruai ro demu uhi ban ai kane ka motivation and all that the why not like why can't I just adapt to studies but then focus kane ro te tenga asdang kita sound engineering te bo nak ke studio barin hayeng record yang ni dan ki local artist ki bangai rap ban record started from there kalong like from the start kalong kung ko hobby hi man shwa and then kiong there like there's a saying but kiong if you try to make your hobby a passion profession the you just need to be consistent tangat tahe for me it's like that
Dan nado dang ret pada ke first instrument Bapibat ni kong do. Bapinang ban stu ba nang bantem ke drum ne, kan sanang bantem ke gitar ne.
Ngatem kita 2015. Then tengah ruai pa na do nang ret.
Mo fila ni ne fila
Kal la.
ipa
Lan ni lan dan hi ba upset yang undo dan kita te subang
temen syangit ba man syariah ne national jong fikan dan bagi concert ni ki festival. Ngako abet pada ko first festival ne concert ba fi attend na national tu. No do pidang ret kan kata. Fikan mau.
betul tang ret.
ngata na kamo
Nga mostly as dang school.
Right. And then udah long to we can do for lock
Ki ang bangi perform ne ba attend
10.
ngan ong ngamo like I'm always the one who's talking tamne like
Ne le.
si nisne am haki colony jong ita like in our locality kaba dai support nang we always have that faith kaba ki once a year we get together ka jong colony and we try to have fun like we get bands na kiban ba na shalong ro bon ki band one tension in kato ko por kay nado porang rent kan mau like nado mong indang red am kata ka way ka concert nila ban ong ma kaba imay pa ila yalambat every year
Mo dam ko ale jo hablek ben nomon do siap.
but then it's always fun to go there kalong kumta laday musician and day musician ro kila everyone is having fun kalong kumta fe and then after that but la jiao amit pol nga kan mau first big concert ban la amit pol one ni Kynhun ba stadium ni what a concert kato ta
Tifla jo modol la dia menta pingjeng lang ha stage. Lang kiti for flat je plate beta man ban asen be ke concert jong ki. Freedom jimut pada ba dalah hek ngarok kan salong kan sai.
when I was a kid man dan ni kung bitay feeling ro tang ba it's not like I want to be there I want to be like him or kalong ta fe it's like ngakwa ban peni ka sab jong ngai it's always like that ta do kan ni ro ma ni ka band nga I always encourage these guys like we should do originals let's not do covers much ta ta fe like we want to show what we are kalong ta fe
Tiko mang ine shabal jong ka zala jong kini ki artist kilo pa kumot kintang siya helenti ne sa mga ki Jaka ne shitball mga ki fans de lang kataro kumbakin dalit bet na de malipan autograph te fidan ka jimut jong pi bangar ul ka singan salam akwa balong kum tu mga ki fans kinda iyengi Jowai ne shidong the fikan bet what I autograph Flaju dim flaju mudarum kata kum ka ban jong kisya
kata telah done by ma la done by like I mean like we want that love from the crowd ta kato ka baki age ka band ki age ki jingruai bangi panmi ya kine ki art mo ngin ombe ka art pa what we try to give them kan long ba like they should understand bangi what we are doing if it has a cause la long ba ke creativity na kalong kane ka whatever it is hapo ka music ni ko abakiro kin small tho ba we try to show ourselves ma and then like being ikini ki fan but ban one sangi ban ong oh you guys are doing great kala long hi kendiat ma tambah ban ong no ban pan autograph tempat don rem ta
Stem.
ban tresitam kan kita tambah like from what we have experienced la don ki prolong kimagi question dur la bon ta ki la don phi ki fans ro em ki ba la long ki prolong jong ni ta menta like every shows they come they like now they are friends so that's connection with the crowd kadang I'm saying ni rota
Ngi kerman hui ka singi ba pin poi kan show to hado ka uput ba ki fan jam fikin what ki ga to tila shy pa din na buat day komentar trong fil ang mania mo ba ki de menta ki la don ki fans ki balong bet after you bet sini stay la let lang bet the what if mo long im tip mo kata long ni kim ki ding dan bi jing du nama tingis no las mo sarong tingis no ke la shy de ki fan jong pin nik la long ai la bet bet la ja den 90 la bet den den try pin de i ki fan to pin thak ne pin nom thak dong ni na wani te pin dan kata kamen sem ne pin dang i bet ne ki fan jong ki
from experience I don't know if these guys feel the same Kutoko porba like last year we had a mini tour outside of the state ma ta kutoko por ngi tang band members not even that one person who's very close to us is not going there don't break the emptiness there ngi snow ngi ma like after playing a show ngi ang what if that guy was there what if that guy was there ma ki shows ki ba ni ite ba ki crowd ki enjoy like example Pune ka high spirits ni performing time 1.5 hours the crowd was crazy right from the start na do bas dang ni tem ki su ki kim te bre ki sur jang ni ma ini ki jing ba jang ni but these guys were like having fun ki ni thore ni it was the first time we were playing there but these guys are having fun
They showing so
true
much stuff.
people of music them they love the music and all that but then still there's that feeling ba ni to guy mo la music ne ni la miss don be fi kung pa
Don be.
ta ni kwa be ban kin don be ta ban don lang ba shur ban ni that's why we were planning next year maybe we'll take 2-3 of them
singa kin ja show ta ba
let's see hopefully ma ni la ban le kung taro
if you flap ngai i flap perform de shabar bon ki perform ke jing so tanal jong perform ba de shabar jong ka jala jong ni
kai
become responsible no shesh thali ne
Shabari kam response
Ka
Shabari
pertawa senero ikibiang response kibro. And I mostly setay fi kami ba kilalong aware kam long gumto mo kila skang kila wan check up ne kno kiwan pa kenyi. And I hang ni silong lo biang ni tam mostly no lang
Shabar ta ki kam appreciate hi musician Shanero ki appreciate hi samba Shabar ta ki kam kor ha
for me it's travel and the connection which we can
the connection
whole week staying with the Banham, the total connection is different.
Yeah.
Ni la ba ban ya kwa ban sha ro chang ni sha ai. Ni thia ga jo ga jing thia ni kung ta gen like the connection go jing ba you bro like we try to make it like very subtle hado ba like we teach each other ta panikai he's smaller than me I need to listen to him he's elder to me I need to listen to him we have that connection way that is one thing but travel forget it ma going through all those flights memories and all that ni to the best
se thu nga ko we ta memories ba flap ban kan ma yes no wa
there's only that one story which always stuck in my mind I don't know maybe
nga
who's telling the story okay tangan kan mau di ni Leit sa Manipur te kataw po dang dan u jobian ba tempat ki toxic puni ta uday ba keyboardist menchwa tem keyboarding but then he's a guitarist he wants to continue playing guitar te ula no larger than 90 ula join ba ka toxic puni teman shwa ngi let sa Manipur. Then what happened was after Manipur ngi haban let sa Rajasthan. It was like hectic thing. Ngi haban catching a flight after the show. Ngi haban catching a flight, long travel, rush by time. Nga kamau this ngi thinking we never thought of it. Like ngi let back ngi la fresh up and all like biang. This guy, as soon as we reach airport, direct to the washroom. You know, I'm like, you guy, he's taking so much time. We got inside, nga room, gini ro kia room. Oh, la dang brush. And he's taking his towel out. And he's washing his head. Udang sum. Bro, he brush on tahi tang, but this guy is washing his head. He's taking his time. Udang long, uladao day wala. Ula shower he, what? And after all of that, forget it. The one thing which always stuck to our mind is after habalada ban khoi sum clear. Ula jakto ka yuta air dryer.
Hả?
Pesak.
Tak clear.
Pesak yo. Po ta ke to
Ang ta. Benong kum no.
ban ki tos nyo try. Ngar po hala long hala po yuma po toilet airport.
Poi biang po dem saka.
Biang ngipoy like 2 hours early pa ban check in keng. Naman mo don tier ban check in take a lot of time. Ellen kiro kim shar ban rong spot flight. It's like that. But then that memory there nging klet show nga tanam klet show to. This guy was
Ka handle like a stage fright pada.
stage fright to nga tangam judan randok mata redok nga ong bed tepek.
Tenang. Nalang terfisya. Tekide barang sedang.
Yini indang senang kan? Deka speak right now.
As for me, I think I fake it. Yeah. I fake it, but when I stand there in the platform, I felt like I just go with the flow and it's just going.
Mo mentatem dan stage fright show.
There is a bit, but yeah, I'm still trying to.
I think everyone has that feeling because I remember when we started performing, I already had a lot of experience before. I started performing live since I was 15. Tengah don shwa kata ka experience pe. Tengah tu 15 you don't know that stage fright and all that. Ni ashlur ba ya meet by jump stage ni is why but of tune road why but the after after performing with these guys ngakama ba even they also have that stage fright. Tengah kemau it was always me who danced on the stage, showmanship and all that, and I tried to push them a lot. Even my mom, hadok ka imay roem, laong, if you attempt hajong stage, tang ba tang what he ba shot if you ban shot kang mala ki I'm saying that since then like time flies, it comes with it kalong with ka nervous to done by.
Ti ka khana cylinder ber mo ki jingruai ka ba khampau ma ka jong phi. Ka jong ka ban jong phi sia kan.
Taro
Phi tho ni ba pishna hi. Dan be ka khana em.
there's one song come into the way na wa kamu sedang itu ya. See this story kene ka jingi thok mo ka ba long deep ta yang hero. So this song Into the Wild la da pi lai smell ma today ijing roi ba tho da o pulok jong yu ba kertem ker mi ki kan dia. Ka stage name jong u ka dai ul krea. Tang ba this guy passed away. May his soul rest in peace. Last year he passed away. The ngakan mau ba hakato ko por ba utho ikan ijing roi am. If you listen to the lyrics like tribute jong to ka film Into the Wild, but then that lyrics felt like it's written for us. Yangi ki brew dungeon is for Thai like we need to live our life with but ngin day ban tip kumno ban yadai bay meriang kam ong ma. Like how we need to connect with the nature and like how independent you can be. That thing which he taught us, nga like for myself, nga ba like this song is teaching me a lot. I don't know about these guys. He is the one who composed it after all. After anda ula dapat ay ke lyrics ula ya ula explaining iba the lyrics is like that. To me ula stamban compose ke jeng ruai ro mauhi. Maybe he have something else to say at hanta.
Ang tayo ay purpose
Purpose of life. So we miss this guy a lot. We miss his songs. He wrote 3 songs for us: Poisa, Into the Wild, and No Strings Attached. These bro lightly in right, but the meaning matter. The
Katay drive lapin mi.
is already out. Like nila dan menta kawai album 3 singles, but kibi kawai te. So what these 3 songs that they keep a rim wrote, they have a huge impact to the band. Like every time we perform Kylleng, we will never miss the songs, and people love them also. Example Poisa mo. Poisa people love the song. Namarba kaday in Panar and
Ki kam respond
can respond happy. Cha po shulong ro ki writer kan ju writer mo. Someone like this guy is good and ban tho. Yeah.
Tenagaliang sa pisya. Kaya ka jingkay ba kong santam. Naka failure.
Failure. Engate nga ong ba. I'm always ready to fail that. Like every time I fail, I learn a lesson. Ma. Let's say menta ngi persang bunch na kawai jing ruai. But then kamlong ra kumbang imut. Ma. Because not every time we make a song is a success there. That is one thing which Kaba ngi kum musician as a musician ngi really appreciate that ban failure ban fail ban like ready to get up and stand again ban shna if it's not working let's try to make something else kalong tafi the yanga tanga ong by failure is always a part of my life mday tanga ka music ro haka rukom im jong ubro ro like a way of life kum nongi like if ngimday ban snap ba ong kivay like kum know how you need to be around with people, with the society. I want to learn by myself, man. Ngangko ban tip hi kumno ban experience mo ikan jing im jong ban fail then ngam snow ay ra ngam la ban fail ngan learn it.
Biang.
Ngan la ngan yem biang la try again. Ma. That's what I feel. People na kumno.
Ti kaya pada ba hadut menta. Kaya lang di jong pi kaya pi ngongo tam. Aga im ga jong pi pada hadut menta. Nang grateful bahaya kaya.
Same. I was about to say the same.
Tam.
Jung
Come on, man. You just won an award. FGMP.
Fijak. Oh, MGMP. Congratulations.
thank you. Tao
Ngalo betul nung kong swa ay ngo blay la whatever we ask he give. He just told us to like keep working hard. Tingi ngila snap la try te ula kruhi ka katba ula and then you make pa jong you bala support benudo like kumbangi ma ngi practice ro me ka jing hala jing you but then it's not bothering them you always support the kini ki audience ki fans ki your support yung hado ata online offline kalong ko johi namar bo online ro ngi ite kumno ki stream ki jingro jong ki pat ya ki videos bangi panmi the like from there we get to know about these guys ki fans jong ki audience ro ki yung the ban nga gratefully kini ki band members jong aro but like they're always together with us we stick together whatever ups and down the ngin persang ban push sakmat
Kade.
tangatai dengan
Kamu video connect bagi fans tapi bagi social media ni.
Instagram is the main Instagram is the main. We have a page ngi persang ban post ba hang to and boost the post from our personal page. Tay dan ki perlok jong ngi ki share ka ki story ki jeng Jowai ki kene ki videos YouTube, Spotify. The connection but ki fans online but kini shows live shows ma. Na don la bon festival the morning ro la tem. It's like that.
Kelak makan makan nanti lagi fest.
I am kan masuk ah.
Terok kat dah. Kan mau we perform stu.
Lada la pen ida to kadur jong gitu gibash fi. Kan mau. Da gibash la long kat ne da. This guy's collecting 50 saya fi. Undai 50. La bon festival that time. More than 50. Nando 2018 ta. In shows mostly of gidai festival hi namar ba mo.
Tarik. 80 plus.
80 though. Boy ma around 80. Namar ba mo.
Tarik. 80 plus.
80 though. Boy ma around 80.
The fitho lyrics fitho lang kum kaban eh fitho ben.
We talk on the band.
Kaban.
More sometimes la don idea la thought la prepare send po group then thao composition tela da ngi song lang ro ngi super sang ban tha everyone share the opinion connect ideas and then ngi compile by the show and then we make a song out of it.
So tenan. Tena pedeng track pindan bet la kajong i fan ki we pak dong rai. Ti ki na pedeng di we kita ki bapiok men sim ha ki dong rai ne kido ha ka jim jong ki ke ba ajing kai ha ka jim jong pi inspiration
Bon mo como artist I don't know lada idai tang mga ne bro ki kaban ta kam don bet kaban nila ban ong bang ngi follow kaban ko spec ko riwong kito ma ngi follow kito tang ba individually nga bon ha fi inspiration like Beatles even mentaro nga snap jing rajong Beatles it's very raw like it doesn't have all those effects kine meh and then you get those goosebumps oh what is that okay you get those goosebumps you hearing that one note and it clicks Kylleng tapi kum Beatles Pink Floyd and bon bhi ne ki like Michael Jackson especially Kylleng king of pop Michael Jackson ki jing rajong em kini badan meaning like Earth Song ni those are like my inspiration for myself nga tanga snongta
Tena mi sekamar ke ba pinang ile ba pinang aju kata kajing syarnya ki fan kajang pi pinang pe mi syo kajing rai fidan ha kajing mut pinang pe mi syo kajing rai
even mentaro menin ngidang dap shoot ko way ka session we were planning to release ngidang dap release kani EP ko pagerteng kot tafang tengi la dap release po YouTube but Spotify habaro kini ki online platform taking pemi tangka audio the menta ngi menen ngi shoot ka live session tingi mut ban release na kita ki live session video and audio ngi la ban upload to Spotify ma we want to be consistent so that kini ki fan jong ro kim klet lane kim ong ni sya ja kim
ya ha
ni ko ban long ta fe see ki shows is very hard ngan ong by fi direct namar ba kalong kum ta hila da film la ban connect bat kini ki audience ki fans la da film la ban yelam bat ki fans jong fi kini concert ki festival I don't think so organizer prefers to a band who doesn't do that tengi ko ban connect bat ki fan jong ni so that they can come to our shows and bring their friends hear our music enjoy with us kumta fe kita kadang kuat kadang push bahai kini ro like we should be always be consistent like akum ke Instagram we always upload something story reels even if we're doing something silly then marwa nang ong bai fi ni hagne ban jong em and you should see if they was here I wouldn't be able to talk long kumta like everyone is doing something there some will be eating this and just doing something random the video is always there. There's always that someone who's taking video. Ini bay pat you play ka Snapchat. Bo ito filter but you ring kung ni ani dur lalong kung shre lalong kung taklu ani kitoro ni upload ba bo ba ito. Ay in your fan but like we are family. Have fun with us along that that's there.
One hakapor we shoot video fijiran em taki fun is
Kita kan like
hakapor really shoot outside.
like example kumanin ma ni bro ni isendang ni dang ni sound check ngaru dang tension ba ban check the sound ban namar bang mix if ni ra hi kitir la jong and all I'm using this guy's gear nga sedang tengah dang mix ang bun kam ha mo ni ro tem drum dang check the sound le dang tek gitar ni de ru to betem keyboard ta bom dan ne ra say phone ala ring la sini kintai kidang busy le dang bo itu extension nails extension ni so the moments like that we like make random and we get those memories like to video gila ban save it's so much fun por pengidan lang bro bet ke too much fun nama
So tenat kumta. Long kenja te. Long ko family bed ye tes ngotenan. Kidan em kapor pia dom we. Kum do pia. Tiu pede we.
communication it's always communication if you have some problem talk ma lada peace no ong ben
Concerned person.
and that other person also idai ban ngo tho ba ndai ba la ong nga kum ta dam no nan e no ndai ban ta we should communicate so peace ngo kum ta okay we'll try to adjust and make things right they ban long kum ta ve we all have that same mentality I think
Jing em bedong em laban la jing bakalam kongklon untuk ngolong haban kentiu haban peni haban ya bah sedang ben habdeng zo fi shit bonut
dan pe la dan te ra jai ni badan ma mentat
May bagim jubatat you will go how bad it is. Paskal kota ban bak to ga jing isi mai be.
kita benong kontai
We always push ourselves.
even the family is like that hayeng sam ro pi fini done way but cringe behind your back but then at the end of the day we'll eat at the same table
dan kam he iwe
alright
dan kam
kata ka jing ki ama like the love we have for each other should always be there ta
kemarin theng kebom kaksing kinyai sawa haman ki Jaka kat badang rio kedui tera kisur terai kinam jar ngai